Hey guys, Tate from Florida here, checking in with you from the George C. McGough Nature Center near Indian Rocks Beach, Florida. And just out here enjoying the boardwalks today. This is a gorgeous park. They have a nature center, which we'll check out here in a second. But one of the neat features I like too is, and I haven't been out there yet today, but along the boardwalk here, there's another bird house over there. Neat, okay. You see these boardwalks go in different directions, and then there's a bunch of pathways out here as well. But there's a boardwalk that takes you out to the Intercoastal waterway. Don't believe you're allowed to fish out here. But regardless, look how gorgeous this is. Some big giant needlefish in the water there. When it's low tide, this will be, you could actually walk out here. I don't know how you get down there, or if you want to, but they have little information signs out here that tell you what kind of birds you might see. Also a good place to come out and check out some of the big boats coming through, such as that one right there. That's the Indian Rocks Beach Causeway right there. And down that way off in the distance, that's the Bel Air Beach Causeway. And this is all the park here. You see down there by the marina down there. It doesn't quite go to the marina, but all this in here is part of it. So I'm gonna go finish walking on the boardwalk here and come back, and I'll see if the nature center's open.